Well, what did you tell me move back for?
What's that?
What did you tell me move back for?
Oh, I don't know, buddy.
Because you already knew I wasn't.
All right.
You ain't above the law. You just don't tell people what to do.
Okay.
Fuck the police.
Come on, man. Who's the representative of the court? Jennifer's dude. Who is she to you? Is there any kind of registration in the vehicle?
Hello? What? Yeah, who's this? What's up, man? You're gonna have to give me a minute. I'm dealing with the police.
Are you a valid driver?
Alright,
Is there anything in the car that should not be?
wait.
Okay, would you guys have any other reasons that I should search the car or anything like that? You guys mind if I search the car? Alright, well I think I got another unit in this way. Alright, well I think I got another unit in this way. Okay? And just in case we're right now, okay? Or is that just
She give him ID. You give him ID. You know you don't have to. Passengers don't have to show ID. You didn't know that? Yeah, look it up. It's your constitutional right. You don't have to give that officer no IDs. Anytime you get pulled over, never be sent to a search. Never. You have rights. Look up cop blockers, you'll find out. You still in the day? You out still in the day?
what's that?
You out still in the day? What I mean is what I'm saying. You stealing from these folks today?
It's gonna have you chawed over there, man.
What is it?
It's gonna have you chawed over there when you're in the traffic stop.
We ain't do that. I'm right here where I'm at. I'm on my property. I'm good. Talk to buddies here.
Do that.
Because we're going to anyway. You probably already done it. Stealing from the citizens again? I'm just here to make sure they don't violate your rights. That's what I do. That's what cop blockers do. Just look up Herb Freeman. You'll see what I do for our community. What do you say he pulled you over for? Brake light? Hit your brakes, let me see. Yep, that one's out, Bob. The driver's side. They're usually a $10 ticket. Usually if you get it fixed before you go to court, they usually throw it out. Yeah, that's my dude. That's my dude. He just bought that. It is. Yep, sure is. It's got all of it in it too. Some kind of cocksucker.
That's got a 400 gig memory in it. Well, damn. That motherfucker will load. Yeah. What they get pulled over for, Steve?
Tail light out.
That's bullshit.
A bullshit punk
That
ass
is bullshit. I told you, bro. I knew another one was coming. I knew it.
I told you, didn't I?
K-9 even. I just passed him.
You never give consent to search. Never.
Hey, come here real quick.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
I like that. You like the one too?
They're all pricks.
Because that can come out from my house.
Pricks with fuzz, badges, and guns.
Are we going to fix somewhere in here?
We can do this. Yeah, I live all this. I own all this, bro. All this. That's mine, that's mine, that's mine, that's mine. That's the one I told you. I just got campuses on that. Yeah, fucked up. Yeah.
You guys said you don't mind if I search the vehicle? Hey, 76?
They're getting a goal game.
Hey, Marshall? You got Marshall?
These guys don't bother me as bad as ZPD, but
They're all dicks. They're all bootlickers. They're all work for the government. They all steal one way or another.
You just want to sniff around the vehicle?
this is the second time I pulled Horstetter or whatever his name is. He won't call me back.
Oh,
So
they
now I
won't.
got my phone on record. Any call I make, I record. Every time. He won't even call me back.
I'll go ahead and pull them out here.
And he won't call me back at all.
You guys don't have any weapons or anything like that?
Oh, shit. That's me accidentally calling you.
Oh, it is. I was like, man, I hope that's him calling.
There's a, here, let me show you something. See this app right here?
Yep. Here's what I got.
Okay. This. Watch, they're gonna make that dog hit. Watch, they're gonna make that dog hit.
Yeah,
They're gonna say that dog hit just to search your car.
Here's what I got. It's right here. Hold record.
Yeah, but see, use this one right here. ACR
Yep, I used to have it.
and it works in and out. Either way you get your phone
That-
call in,
that's what mine
or
does,
either
too.
way you
Yep.
call out.
Yep.
Either way it goes, you get your phone calls.
Yep.
And that other one is just like if you're in the courthouse or something like that, they don't allow you.
That was a show of force. That's all that was a show of force.
Didn't hit on it, did it? Because I said something. Ha ha. All right, guys, you gotta be safe. Yeah, you gotta wait for your tick. Yeah, they're trying to steal. That's all it is, stealing. Government stealing from the citizens. Yep. You know who it is. You know her, Freeman.
Alrighty.
You know me.
Get your stuff back. Here's a warning. Not all of it, okay? The reason why I asked if I can search.
He does. Because he's a cocksucker.
Everybody knows the traffic. Okay?
Him and his fake ass dog.
Yep, you guys are voting your rights, that's fine. So obviously that's why we're gonna have to be down here. Alright?
Yep, never give consent to search a car. Never.
No.
Yeah, he's still in the pen. I think, was he living out at East Pike here for a minute? I think I was talking about here a couple times.
He's got a button on him. If he pushes it, it pops that door open. Dog comes right out.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got some stories to tell you here in a little bit.
Yeah, that's got a big ass 400 gig hard or
Gigabyte?
Huh?
400 gigabyte
Yeah, boy.
or terabyte.
Gig.
That's pretty big, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 400 gig, boy. It'll run too, boy. I can record forever. You're welcome, guys. Just remember that. Look it up and you'll see it. Never give consent to a search. Never. You're welcome. What is it? I didn't hear you.
Not beer do you like?
Oh, I don't drink beer, buddy.
Oh, okay.
I just smoke. All right, Bo. Yep, you guys be careful.
Yep, you do.
Yep, thanks. Did you want me to step back? How far did you want me to go? Way back there?
You can walk wherever you want.
I know. Well, what did you tell me move back for?
What's that?
What did you tell me move back for?
I don't know, buddy.
Because you already knew I wasn't.
All right.
You ain't above the law. You just don't tell people what to do.
Okay.
You don't order nobody. You order your mom and dad around like that too? You order your kids like that? I bet you do, don't you?
Yeah, good day, Irvin.
Do you order your kids like that too? You do, don't you? Probably your mom and dad. Traffic stop. They try to steal from somebody and go and do it.
Check my car out. I dare you. I'll set the alarm off. Check it out. I dare you.
911, what is your emergency?